Welcome back. We are covering number 18 of 20 tips to get you started with Microsoft OneNote for Mac. And before we get going today, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. If you've been here multiple times, it's time to commit to Uncle Paul. You can do it. I appreciate the support. I appreciate the views. I appreciate the thumbs up. So click that thumbs up button as well. And then also click the alert button so you're notified of future videos that are created. So today we are covering number 18, which is creating a section in a notebook. And the last two videos, I'm not going to go over those again, although I will kind of show you how to do these. But we covered, how to not only create a notebook, but to change the color. So what I'm going to do today is show you how to create a section within the notebook. So let's do this. We're just going to actually add a new notebook. And we're going to call it new. We're going to name it blue, and we're going to call it Michigan. All right. And then we're going to hit create. And here we go. We have automatically a section here, right? And so, but you may want to add another section, right? So let's go name this first section. Let's just add another section here because that's what we wanted to do. We want to cover. So we added a notebook there, reviewed that. I'm going to add another section here, and we're going to call it football. And I'll cover how to do this, right? So I'm going to make this title football. I'm going to call this football basics. And actually I wanted to do that in this one. So let me do this. Let me delete this, and you can right click and pretty much get to whatever you want to do with that particular section. So I'm going to, because I created a section here and I showed you how to do this, but I'm going to set up some things for, and I'm going to actually delete this one too. Let me just delete this section. All right. And then I'm going to actually add another section here. And this one's going to be basketball. All right. So we have our notebook here, right? And we have football and we have basketball. And then also we covered how to change colors, right? So I'm going to change the color here of football. I'm going to leave that blue, and I'm going to change the color of basketball just to show you again to orange, right? And so I'm going to go up here and I'm going to add, I'm going to leave that for now. But again, we've added the section. So anyway, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pause the video here. Again, it's real simple. I showed you how to create a new notebook, right? And then I also showed you how to make the sections, right? And that's exactly what we wanted to cover today. So I keep wanting to jump ahead, but again, this is pretty straightforward in terms of just creating a section within a notebook, right? So again, think of a notebook like you would if you go to, school supply section or, Office Depot or someplace like that, and you actually grab a 3-ring binder that has the dividers in there. There's a notebook. And again, within that notebook, 2 of those sections, those dividers are going to have football and basketball here. So it's one notebook, which is right here. And then we have football and we have basketball. So we're going to stop right there, and then we'll get into the next video here shortly, and we will, cover, what's next in the series. So appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't clicked the subscribe button, I want you to do that. Do me a favor, click the alert button also so you're notified of future videos that are created, and then also click the thumbs up, and we will talk to you at the next video.